Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm going to talk about two latest express entry rounds of invitations that were conducted. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, last time when we saw two draws were conducted in the same day, this time also like two draws were conducted within 2 days. So that definitely means the government of Canada is actually working to to reach their immigration target. However, the things to consider here is like under what categories they are issuing invitations. So one of them was Canadian Experience Class, second PNP. So the cutoffs were very high over there. We'll come to that. Now for this Canadian Experience Class, we know that these guys must have at least 1 year of Canadian experience, and then they get points. So most of these guys are already in Canada. So in this outbreak of COVID-19, when entire world is under a virtual lockdown and transportation services are affected around the world, so that is why they are preferring these candidates who are already in Canada, most of them, so that they continue living here, and after this outbreak a lot of people are actually applying, those who can, because this is a very easy way to extend your stay in Canada, because once you are granted your permanent residence you are free from lot of restrictions. So this was conducted on April 16. 3,782 invitations were issued, and the lowest point was 455. We will compare it with the previous rounds as well, and the tie breaking rule is here. Now coming to this pool, we will see that there are a lot of people here, as you can see. Now I'll come to you why you see less number here, because there was a round conducted just 2 days before that where cutoffs were higher, so a lot of candidates were invited then. Anyway, so you can see that these guys remaining numbers out of this 3782, first these two brackets were invited, rest were invited from here. Now because only Canadian Experience Class candidates were invited, so other candidates who are in pool, Federal Skilled Worker and Federal Skilled Trade, they have to wait a bit more. I don't know when Canada is gonna start, but we can hope soon, but as of now there is no information about it. But keep your eyes on guys, and try for other streams like provincial nomination, because they are inviting even PNP people as well. Alright, now we'll go to the other round that was conducted. So this was conducted on April 15th. Provincial nominee program, it was conducted for this program, and 118 invitations were issued, and the cutoff was 808. So out of 808, 600 you get when you get nomination from a state, and this was the tie breaking rule time. So as I say, like if you compare it even if with more backward rounds, so you will see this round that was conducted on April 9th, again that was for Canadian Experience Class. If you take a step back, again another round was conducted on the same day, and that was for PNP. So for Canadian Experience Class, if we come on April 9th, it was 464, now it was 455. But for PNP, if you see, last time they invited 606 numbers, lowest CRS, but this time it has gone to 808. So more people are shifting towards these programs. We'll see, but yes, for Canadian Experience Class, if you don't have Canadian experience, you are not eligible under this. This time more invitations were issued as well compared to last time, as you can see over here. So guys, like as I have said, like try for PNP and other programs, RNIP etc., where you can get better chances at this time. I mean to say, like along with express entry, be ready for those programs as well, because the government is gonna achieve its immigration targets, but you need to qualify using these things. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.